Graad 8, les 4, oefening 6. Adding and subtracting like terms. Nommer A en B was pragtig oulik, alles is dieselfde. By C kry ons 2AB plus 3B. Selfs as jy daarna luister, kan jy hoor, is nie dieselfde nie. As jy met jou oë kyk, 'n geel en 'n rooi liggie, by 3B net 'n rooi liggie. They cannot be added, you leave it just like that. By D, P kwadraat Q, P kwadraat Q. En jy sal sien, ek het my P verdubbel met 2 liggies. P maal P, hulle rond net bietjie rond. P kwadraat Q, P kwadraat Q, so hulle is dieselfde. 8 minus 3 is 8P kwadraat Q. E, 2M kan aftrek by minus 7M, dis minus 5M. 2 minus 7 is negative 5M plus 10N. And now obviously these two cannot be added together. They are unlike terms. They are not the same. When we say what must be the same, it must be the letters at the back. The letters at the back. The variables. Die veranderlikes, die letters moet presies dieselfde wees. So what if we have P squared Q and PQ? From the top, they might look the same. Blue and red. Next one will be blue and red. But in the first one, we have 2 blue. And in the second one, we have 1 blue. They are not like terms. They cannot be added together. Vir die linkerbreine hieronder, 3M plus 3M kwadraat plus 6M tot die mag 3. Jy kan dit uitbrei, jy onthou die spook 1. Hier is 1 van hulle, 2, 3. Definitief nie dieselfde nie.